How can the heart travel to God, when it is chained by its desires? All that is left to us by tradition is mere words. It is up to us to find out what they mean. Choose less over more in it. Be satisfied with what you have, even if it is less than what others have. In fact, prefer to have less. I am no one in existence but myself. God will bring you assistance and the people you will help sooner or later. I follow the way of love, and where love's caravan takes its path, there is my religion, my faith. The ignorant one does not see his ignorance as he basks in its darkness, nor does the knowledgeable one see his own knowledge, for he basks in its light. Purify my soul from doubt. The things of the invisible world attract me more than those of actual life. Your personal nature seeks its paradise. For hope, you need faith. What you plant here, you will reap there. If you find it complicated to answer someone's question, do not answer it, for his container is already full and does not have room for the answer. You are my sight, so have faith. You are my face, so veil yourself. Seek the company of the wise, who know. Agree with what they say, for one understands only that with which one agrees. Be sincere in what you say. A single tongue should not speak two different words. No deceit or fraud should enter into your thoughts. Do not belittle anyone or anything, for everyone and everything in its inner being wishes for the same thing. Every bird flies with their own kind, eagles with eagles, crows with crows. My creed is love, wherever its caravan turns along the way, that is my belief, my faith. When the secret of one particle of the atoms is clear, the secret of all created things, both outward and inward, is clear, and you do not see in this world or the next, anything except God. All that passes away from the aspect of the manifest comes under the aspect of the hidden. The essence is one. Nothing has passed away. While you are alive, your worldly self is like a collector of benefits from Allah's bounties, which come to you from myriads of hands. If pain wasn't the biggest blessing, why would Allah give it to his most beloved subjects, the prophets? The desires of this world are like sea water. The more you drink of them, the more you thirst. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and stay blessed for good.